subscribe to my channel Making Impossible and press the bell icon so that you don't miss any one of my upcoming videos.
Yo, what's up friends, I'm Salazari and welcome back to Making Impossible, the channel that teaches you how to make the impossible and be the smartest person in the room. In today's video, I'm going to be announcing the name of the winner of the 300k subscriber giveaway, and the winner is Telugu Gaming. So congratulations to you, buddy, and to claim your prize, all you have to do is you have to comment down your Instagram user ID on this video comment, and from that ID just send me a direct message to my Instagram ID showing me the proof that you are the person who commented this comment, and along with your house address, so that I can send you the gift as fast as I can. And actually try to send me this message within this week, because I get a lot of DMs every day, and because of that your DM might get hidden under those DMs and I might never find it. So DM me as fast as you can. And also guys, in today's video I'm going to be teaching you a simple money levitation trick which you're going to do using loops, and I hope you'll be enjoying it. So without any further ado, let's start our today's video.
This week's Instagram feature goes to Parvez Alam. Follow him on Instagram. Link will be given in the video description. I'll feature one lucky Instagram user every Monday in my Smack That Monday episodes. If you want your Instagram profile or page to be featured in my next Smack That Monday episode, follow the simple steps that are given in the video description. So now, let's continue.
Okay guys, this is what the trick looks like. So for this trick you're going to need a money bill. You can use your own money bill and hand it over to your spectator, or you can ask your spectator to take out their money and then fold it lengthwise just like that, okay? And then after that, after they fold it in lengthwise, you're going to take it back, and then you're going to just take the money and you're going to fold it just like that, okay? And then after folding it, all you're going to do is you'll try to levitate this money in mid-air just like that. So as you can see, the money is levitating, it's flying in mid-air. I'm not holding it or I'm not touching it in any way. You can see there's nothing between my hands, but still the money bill is floating right between my hands in mid-air, right? So after doing this for a few seconds, after floating the money bill for a few seconds, I'm just going to take it back just like that. And as you can see, the money bill is alright, and you can check my hands, there's absolutely nothing in it. So that's what the trick looks like. Let's see how you can do this simple floating money trick. Okay guys, this is how you're going to levitate the money. Now first of all, you're going to need a dollar bill or any kind of bill, whichever country you are in. I'm in India, so I have a 10 rupee note. So all you're going to do is you're going to have this money, and you can ask your spectator to take this money, or maybe you can ask your spectator to bring out their own money bill, and as soon as they bring out their own money bill, ask them to fold this money bill lengthwise, okay? Fold it into half lengthwise just like that. And this is very important for your spectators to fold the money bill, because if they fold the money bill, their concentration is on folding the money bill, while you can use their concentration while they're concentrating on the money bill. You can use that moment to set up the loop that you're wearing on your hand. So all you have to do is, before you start the trick, you're going to wear a loop around your wrist just like that, okay? Now I have already made a tutorial on how to wear loops, how to use loops, and if you don't know how to do it, I have a tutorial for it. The link to that tutorial will be given in the description box as well as in the card, so make sure to check that out so that you can easily do this trick. So that's what I'm doing. If you have seen in my tutorial, I'm wearing the loop right over here, okay? So the loop is passing from here, it is going around the wrist, and it's coming from here. So there's a little gap over here through which I can put my finger and stretch the loop out. So right now the loop is right over here and right over here. So all I'm doing is, while the spectator is folding the money lengthwise in half, all I'm doing is, while their attention is on the money, I'm setting up the loop. I'm putting my middle finger, the other hand's middle finger, through the loop, and then I'm stretching it out. So what happens right now, this is the top thread of the loop and this is the bottom thread of the loop. The loop runs around this hand and it goes to this hand. Actually not the entire hand, it goes around the middle finger of this hand and then comes back to this hand. So right now you can pretty much feel where the loop is running through, and then you're going to take the money from the spectator and then you're going to put the money through the loop. Okay, so this is the this is the top thread, and this is the bottom thread of the loop. Now I know you can't see it, but you will be able to feel it. So just try to feel the loop and try to put the money through the loop, and then you're going to fold the money upside, just like that. And it is also important to keep these fingers open, because these fingers are open to maintain the loop, that you have created between the hands. So to make it look natural, you have to have these fingers open too. So make sure that you keep these fingers open, and after you take the money and fold it upwards, all you're going to do is you're going to take the money, flip it from the front side, and then what happens is, as the money flips down, this side of the money gets in touch with the bottom side of the loop. Okay, with the bottom thread of the loop. So at this point, all you're going to do is you're going to leave the money just like that, and the bottom thread will take care of the money from swinging it front to back. And because of that, it will look like the money is actually floating in midair in front of your eyes, and it is really stable, right? And with practice, you can also increase the stability of the money floating, because this is a loop, it keeps shaking continuously, and for that reason the money also keeps shaking. But it's okay, because they won't be able to see anything. And as long as you can maintain the steadiness between the loops, the money, and your hand, you will be able to make this look more natural. Okay, so that's how you have to fold the money bill, and that's why you have to flip the money bill from the front, so that you can use the bottom thread of the loop to support the money bill while it's actually levitating. And that's how you're going to do this trick. So at this point, you're going to display this levitation for 10 to 15 seconds, not more than that, because loops, they are invisible, they're pretty much invisible, but they reflects light sometimes. Okay, so if there is a bad lighting situation, or maybe there is a sudden flash of bad light, okay, flash of bad light, then what is going to happen is the loops will actually reflect the light, and the spectator will be able to see that there's some kind of line that is there between these two hands. Okay, and the money is actually placed on that line, and that line will be none other than the loops. So they will be knowing that you are using certain kind of props. So just display this levitation for 10 to 15 seconds, not more than that, and then you go and grab the money with the hand where the loop is around your hand. Okay, you grab it over here, and then all you're doing is you're taking the money just like that, and then you're leaving the loop from this hand. Okay, you're just bending your middle finger, and as you can see, this hand is already freed of the loop. Now the loop is right now just between the money and this hand, which is running around the hand and through the fold of the money. So at this point, what you're going to do is you're going to take the money, you're going to hold the top part, the part that is closest to you, and then you're going to leave the bottom part, and then you will just take the bottom part and pull it out through the loop. So as you do that, the loop actually snaps out of the money and snaps back to your hand, and then you can show the money bill to your spectator just like that. You can open the fold. So in disguise of opening the fold, which you will have to do, in disguise of doing that, you're actually snapping the loop back to your hand, and that's how you can actually clean up the evidence of the props that you're using. So that is how you're going to do this levitation, and that's it for the tutorial. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you did so, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram at Sholazadi. Also, if you have any questions, you can use the comment section for that, and don't forget to subscribe to my other channel, which is a pretty savage channel. I post entertaining videos and gameplays over there, and the link to that channel will be given right in the description box as well as in the cards. And don't forget to smash the subscribe button of this channel if you're not a subscriber yet, and turn on the post notifications so that you don't miss my upcoming videos and my future Smack That Monday episodes. Peace!